What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer here in Miami, Florida. And in this video, I'm gonna go over the most overlooked aspect of starting a book business. The most overlooked aspect of scaling a book business. The most overlooked aspect of having a book business that actually works, that is actually successful, that actually impresses your family during Thanksgiving when they ask you, what have you been doing with your life? And you can explain to them in words and with confidence, and your body language says that you're proud of what you're doing. It's hustle, guys. And it's not what you guys really think when I say hustle. A lot of you guys think hustle, just keep doing the same thing every single day and cross your fingers and hope it works. No, you guys want to hustle 80 different directions, and you want to have your intuition, you want to have your gut on your side. You want to be able to feel what's working, what's not. You want to be able to model people who have already been successful in your space. This isn't rocket science. Look at the bigger booksellers. What are they doing? What are they doing successfully? And the only way you're really going to, you're not ever going to stumble across an opportunity, ever. You got to make the opportunity come to you. And you're going to do this by, think of it as like this water right here. You guys see that water? Yeah, you guys can see that water. Just pretend there's a lot of sand at the bottom of it, a lot of mud. I can get my hands and I can go down in that sand and mud and I can pull it up. I go like this. Let's say that's your hustle. And you're looking for gold. You're looking for a diamond ring. So this is an analogy for your hustle. The diamond ring's obviously a successful business. There's a roadmap to a successful business. But the most important thing, as you guys know, you guys have been following my channel for a while, the most important part of building a book business is having replenishable sources. Finding that diamond ring, finding that source that can come back to you time and time again and be profitable. So back to that analogy, if you're digging in the mud, pulling it up, who do you think's gonna find the diamond ring first? The person standing in the same spot? The person going to the same thrift stores, same libraries, same apps on his phone, Facebook Marketplace? Maybe he watched my YouTube video and found out about my college hustle, how to hustle colleges for their books via campus apps. The person that keeps going to those sources over and over again, or the person that just is going all over the place? The person that goes all over the place is going to stumble across a lot. He's going to get his fingers cut. He's going to come across some glass at the bottom, maybe a jellyfish, but eventually he's going to get a lot of diamond rings. Now, once you find the diamond ring, once you find the good source, it's important not to just keep hustling. It's important not to, oh, I found this one, now I'm gonna go over here. No. If you found an area with the diamond rings, you gotta keep searching there. So once you find a source that's profitable and replenishable, and maybe your skill set, maybe you have a certain set of skills that work well with that source. Maybe you're very charismatic. Maybe you're just really good with numbers and you were able to crunch. Maybe you're really good at arbitrage. You found a list of books from one website, you're able to flip them somewhere else, and because you're good at numbers, you were able to find that discrepancy. Maybe you're very persuasive and you've gotten backroom access at a lot of stores. Perhaps you presented yourself as a business to schools and you're able to get their books and sell them, and now you're doing over $1 million in sales every year. All of those could go bad, but I guarantee you, if you just keep thinking of different ways to get books, and in all my free content, I've probably given away almost every single way of getting free books. Well, not getting free books, but getting books. So it's just a matter of going out there and really pushing yourself, but still having that antenna up for what's working, what is actually yielding me results. So yeah, that's my advice for you guys. And yeah, it's beautiful. ideas like that and more in-depth sourcing techniques, how to find sources that are replenishable, and really how to scale your business, number one, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. Number two, if you have the money, buy my course, The Book Business Blueprint. In that course, I go over scaling techniques. Really towards the end of that course, I focus hard on scaling techniques and delegation techniques, how to build a team, how to actually build a book business, not just a book hustle. But at the beginning of that course, we cover all the basics. So if you're still, maybe your systems aren't perfect yet, and you want to find out how to list books the correct way, how to track your profits, how to set up all these different apps, ScoutIQ, AcceleraList. I go over all that in the course. Like, comment, subscribe, dislike, do what you gotta do, guys. Peace out. Much love, family.